In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the key in Ability Wars. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna cover all the locations in which you will be able to acquire the key and how to properly use it in Ability Wars. So, there are usually 3 locations per map. For this classic map, you will be able to find it first behind the big mushroom, next behind the shop's counter, and finally, next to the 3 closest to the cave. So as you can see, I'm showing you pictures of all the possible locations for the key. Keep in mind that once you join a server and the key spawns in, it's going to remain on the same location forever. Now, for the classic map Ode, you will be able to find it on the key behind the inventor, the key behind the shop counter once again, the key among the attic's potions, between the big 3 roots, on the Mystic Mountain, formerly in the room behind the shop, and the key in the Halloween 2023 candy shop, which was able to be purchased. Now, for the desert map, it can be either on the top of the temple, on the top of the tower, on top of the cave, and finally, for the reimagined map, you will be able to find it under the map, which is not intentional. You can find it next to the counter inside the shop and behind one of the pillars near the altar. So it is very hard to spot, but once you do get the key, all that you have to do is go over to a specific location in the classic map. So for me, it spawned over here right behind the big mushroom. So I'm going to go ahead and get the key and show you what you have to do. Once you get this key, you will have to go over by the pool and open a secret door. So go over here and get the key. It should be over here on your inventory, and all that you have to do is equip it. Now go over to the pool and we will be going to this specific location where I placed my cursor. Once again, if you need to see all of the locations with the images, I recommend that you go over to the wiki or you rewind the video. Regardless, once you have the key, just go over here to this location and immediately this door will be unlocked. You can now go inside and go through the portal. This is going to give you the option to unlock some badges like the Portal Defender, and as long as you complete the puzzles in here, you will be able to get Portal Mastery and another badge. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the key in Ability Wars. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.